Guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to hide photos and videos in Xiaomi 12 Pro smartphone. Before we start the video, I request you to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, open the gallery of your phone. Now click the album. Now we need to swipe down. Then click the permissions and enable that. Now open again. Now we need to enter your Xiaomi cloud details and click sign in with the MI account. Now enter your phone number or your MI account details. Now I added my MI account, then click OK. Now enter your privacy protection password. So this could be different from your main password. Now click on add. Now the private album is created successfully. So if you want to anything add to the private or hidden. So if you want to hide the photos and videos, you need to click and hold. It will open the menu. Then choose add to album. Then click private album. Click OK. Now the file is moved to the private album. Now you can see when you access the private album and enter your privacy password. Now you in the settings you can enable the fingerprint also. Now the private album picture is available. So with this method you can hide your photos and videos on Xiaomi 12 Pro smartphone. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.